Alrighty, so today we're going to have a look at ensuring continuity. So continuity, again, as we mentioned last time, means that from one piece of the piecewise function to the next piece of the piecewise function, there's no gap. So they actually meet each other where they should be continuous. So in this question, we've been given a function, in this case y equals, and then a piecewise function, and it asks us to say, well, what value of a, what does a need to equal for this to be a continuous function? So we just need to have a think about it. Well, this line here is just a perfectly well-defined line, 3x minus 5. That's just a straight line. It is continuous across its entire range. Similarly, this function down here, minus x plus a, is perfectly continuous. There's only one problem. Where is the problem going to occur? The problem is going to occur at the changeover between y1 and y2. So we're going to have to deal with the fact that at the changeover there's going to be a problem. So what we need to do is check that y1 equals y2 when x is equal to 3. That's what we're going to need to check. And in fact, we're going to force a to be something so that that is true. So we can work out one of these things exactly. Set x equal to 3, sub into y1. It's going to be 3 times 3 minus 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. Okay. Now, from what we said before, we want y2 to also equal 4 when x equals 3. So x equals 3, y2 and y2 equals 4. So we get 4 is equal to minus 3 plus a. Minus 3 is just negative 3 plus a. Add 3 to both sides. And we're left with a must be equal to 7. And now what we can do is we can check this on Desmos. So you can see here I've just entered in using the Desmos piecewise function notation, so using the domains to restrict it. And you can see when a is equal to 1, right, I can play around with a. I've just turned it into a slider. When a is equal to 2.6, for example, you can see that this is not a continuous function because there is a gap between the blue line and the black line. But when I reach, and it's only at one particular value, it's at 7. And when a equals 7, it becomes a continuous piecewise function. And so that's what it means to actually force a function, a piecewise function, to be continuous. You set a value so that it's the only value. If I choose anything bigger, it's not continuous. If I choose anything smaller, it's not continuous. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.